fly a drone in a provincial park, so I stopped a few times on my way there so you can see what the area looks like. First hike in Sandbanks is the iconic Dunes Trail. I met someone who showed me a free app called Merlin for identifying birds from their sound. Ah, that was so cool! So excited to try that app out some more. It's easy to see why they call this place Sandbanks. These dunes are huge, really amazing to see. This is the largest freshwater baymouth barrier dune system. This is the largest freshwater baymouth barrier dune system in the world. There are wetlands in between the dunes. This is a unique ecosystem called a pan. Hearing the same bird for a little while walking along here. It's a chipping sparrow. There are lots of signs reminding hikers that the dunes are a sensitive habitat. It's really, really important that we stay on the trail so we can protect these incredible dunes for the future. Just great that they have a barrier-free trail here. My heart is full of nature's beauty at the moment. Last stop, the beach. The water is still too cold for me to go for a swim, but I think it is sandy and shallow for a ways out into the lake. Make sure you reserve a day pass on the Ontario Parks website before coming in the summer. Don't miss the Dunes Trail. There is also a 1-kilometer trail that is barrier-free. Outlet Beach is huge with lots of small parking lots. There are 2 other beaches in the park.